This is a Scarface embroidered jacket. I paid $5 at the thrift store. I sold this for $149 plus shipping. What's up, sellers? Welcome to today's video. This is going to be a short shipping video talking about something I sold yesterday. I bought this jacket. This is a Scarface embroidered jacket. I will lay it out in just a second so you can see. I paid $5 at the thrift store, at Goodwill, in fact. I got it off the rack of clothes that they had just brought out from the back. And so I snagged that. I saw it from like a mile away. I was like, this is for sure something. I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago. Got it for $4.99. Immediately looking at it, I knew, because Scarface memorabilia, that kind of stuff goes really well, typically. And then embroidered jackets typically also do very well. So you mix those two together. It's in excellent condition, no rips, tears, stains, or smells. Really great jacket. Went on eBay, checked the comps. It was excellent. So they were going for anywhere from like 100 to 140. I sold this for $149 plus $20 shipping. So $169 total to the PayPal account. Super pumped about this. I'm gonna show you how I package stuff up and ship them right now. All right, so normally I would try to stick this jacket, because it's over 1 pound, it has to go priority mail for USPS. I would normally try to put it in a priority box. However, I only have the shoe box, and I don't think it'll fit, and I just think it'd be poor presentation to put it in this all rumpled up. And so what I'm gonna do is, instead of using that, I need to order more priority boxes, the large ones, yes. Instead of doing that, I'm gonna use a poly mailer. This is a small poly mailer for like books. I wanna say that is 8.5 by 11. And so we're not going to use that because it's not going to fit. However, we're going to use this. This is, I believe, I don't know, like 14 by 18 inches. And so that is going to work today. For items that are not breakable, that don't need like the extra protection, I generally wrap them in this nice wrapping like shipping paper. I do a nice little presentation, slip them in a poly mailer because they're not breakable. And then I add some eBay tape to it just to show that it's from eBay. And then because it is going priority, I add one of these priority mail stickers. I'll probably put 3 on there just for the post office to see that it is priority and it needs to move quickly. These are actually free. You can get these from the USPS website. You can just get stacks and stacks of them. So also, those boxes are free, and these bags are not free. You can buy these bags, these poly mailer bags, from Amazon, off of Amazon. Down below in the description of this video is a link. You can buy these poly mailers from Amazon using that link. I will actually include the different sizes so that you can check those out and get some for yourself so you can ship things. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is lay out this jacket, and I'm gonna snap all of these snaps. It's so important that we present our items to the buyer, because they're spending their hard-earned money on this stuff, that we present the items to the buyer in a clean and orderly fashion. It doesn't have to take very long, but let's at least do a good job, okay? So the jacket is nice. There's no lint on the front. I'm going to, actually, there's a little bit of thread right there. I'm going to take my razor blade right here. I'm going to carefully remove this little tag thread. There we go. Done. For someone to spend $150 on this jacket, I definitely want to provide customer service and just a good buying experience, because remember, they're going to leave some feedback, and that's really important to us as sellers. I'm going to lay that down like that, and we're going to see. Let's do a half fold here, or like a single fold, and see if that would fit in our bag. If not, we might have to triple it up. Yes, I believe that will work. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to get my eBay tape here. I'm going to get that ready. And this is basically just going to be used to hold the, paper shut. Put this at a 45 angle. I guess we should start from the side here. Like that. This paper will rip, obviously, because it's paper, but you can pull it kind of taut sometimes. Stick some tape on there. That should hold. Grab another piece of tape, pull this thing up, tape it. This is eBay tape, so I get this from the eBay supply store. When I get my quarterly coupon for eBay branded merchandise. So there's that. Let's see if this will fit here. That looks like it's going to fit perfect, actually. Wow. What a great deal. Oh, man, that's absolutely perfect. That could not have worked out better, I don't think. There we go. I'm going to pull you actually a little bit closer here. Okay. So that's in. Give it a little press. Take the film strip off. Fold that closed. Wham! Just like that. Now, I like to just stick a little bit of eBay tape on the front and back so that the buyer knows and anyone else that sees it knows it's coming from eBay, well, from an eBay seller. Then we're going to grab this right here. We're going to slap some stickers on. So these stickers, I thought these particular ones were pre-cut, but they're not. They are a 3-strip. So it's actually, that is the whole sticker. I'll put that right underneath the eBay. Do another one. Like that. Stick that right there. And then on the front, my label will go right here. Awesome. All right, we're here at the scale. I had to put this box on here and then zero it out because this is such a large surface area that it was kind of hanging over when I weighed it earlier. We're at 2 pounds, 11 ounces. All right, so we are gonna do some shipping now. 2 pounds, 11 ounces, and the bag is 14 by 16 inches by 3 inches thick. So let's see, PayPal, boom, we are in. Also, one thing I do I'm very consistent with, and I'm very careful to do this, is every single time I make a sale, when I go to print the shipping labels out from PayPal, I prefer to use PayPal versus the eBay interface. PayPal is just cleaner to me. I always update my spreadsheet with the cost of goods for that item, then what it sold for, all the fees are calculated, and then what I paid for shipping out of my PayPal account. So I'm doing that currently as I talk. All right, so we have priority mail. We're doing a package or a thick envelope, which is that 2 pounds, 11 ounces, 16 by 14 by 3. Calculating that shipping. This is going to California, so you can actually see that the shipping is $15.74. So exactly what eBay had calculated. That's awesome. Very happy with that. And then it's just simply a matter of printing that label out and getting it on the bag. All right, so confirm and pay. Let me update so after all the breakdown, all the fees and everything, my net profit was $104. 50% of that goes into my pocket and 50% of that goes back out into buying more products. So made 52 bucks off of this item. 52 goes right back out into buying more items. Let's say that I can find 10 more items. Well, let's just say I can find only 8 more items at $5 a piece. That's 40 bucks. And if each one of those can quadruple themselves, you can see how that goes very fast and makes significant money. We are printing this. All right, guys, and there it is. Ready to go. 100 bucks. Easy money. Listen, selling online is not hard. Cool part is you don't need a degree for it. You don't need to know much of anything. You need to know how to find something, how to make sure it's profitable, how to put it on the internet, and then when it sells, how to package it up and ship it out. This is very, very easy stuff. You just have to get out and do it. Here on my channel, I teach people how to do that, as well as how to maximize their online selling business and take it further. If you're not already a subscriber here on my channel, I would greatly appreciate if you would consider subscribing. And then if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and let me know in the comment section if you're having any issues or any problems that I could potentially help you with to take your business further in 2020. With all that being said, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.